So today I'd like to show you how to edit some videos on Facebook. So we all put videos onto Facebook, and if we're repurposing from YouTube or Instagram, Facebook's also a great place to put your videos, but sometimes it's quite restrictive on how to actually edit them, like put a thumbnail or do any editing regarding the SEO. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to, number one, edit a video in a Facebook group, and then number two, how to edit a video on a Facebook business page. So the first thing we want to do is we want to jump into our Facebook accounts, and we want to go to our, first of all, Facebook group. So I'm going to jump into my Facebook group, and I've just recently uploaded this video to my Facebook account. So this is my Facebook group, and I am acting as myself up here, who is admin of the group. So as you can see here, it says that I'm admin. So in order to edit this so that I have a thumbnail that I want to actually present with, all I need to do, first of all, is click these three dots and go to Edit Post. Now, once you're in this Edit Post area, you'll see that there is this video options. So if you go ahead and click that, you'll see that we have to put a video title. So I'm just going to put in here the title of the video. Now, if you don't have the title, it won't allow you to save it. So that is something that you need to make sure you have. If you want to add some tags so that it's searchable within the group, then go ahead and add the tags. So this was YouTube SEO. So I'm going to add those in, and I'm going to do video marketing. And you can add in the tags as you wish. Now here you can see add captions. So it has the automatic generated captions. It also says don't add captions until I review, or you can upload your SRT file. So if you have an SRT file, upload it, because of course that counts for your SEO as well. Now the one thing that I think is really important is the thumbnail. We don't want videos where we're going like, or whatever like that. So if you click this option, you can see that we can choose suggested. So in other words, you can choose the suggested thumbnail from what Facebook gives you, and this is just frames from your video itself. You can actually upload a thumbnail, so if you want to create a thumbnail in Canva or anywhere like that, you can upload it here, and all you have to do is click that and upload the image in here. Because this is in my group, I don't tend to put thumbnails on it. You can choose a still from the video, and that's the one I like doing, and you basically just pull this like toggle across until you get to a still that you like. So I like having it so that it's where the three of us are in the call, and you can see there's the option. And you can actually do this, test different thumbnails. So there is an option here to test, choose from the suggested thumbnails, or upload your own for testing. So we can go through and choose one of the thumbnails that I want to test. So maybe I'll test that one, and then I'll test another one. So let's do this one. So there we've got the A/B testing, and then we can click save, and the video optimization will be saved, and then we can go ahead and click save on the outside of the video editing area. So that's how you edit a video in a Facebook group with the A/B testing. So let's have a little look at how you can do the same on your Facebook business page. So the first thing you need to do is come out of your group and go to the home key. Now we need to act as our business page, not ourselves. So click up here on the top right hand side and swap to the business page that you want to act as. As you can see, it says switching. Now you need to go to the actual page in question. And this is the page that I want to work on. Now, videos are different to Reels on Facebook. You can see we have a Reels tab, which shows you all of your Reels. And then we have if you click on the More tab, we have a Video tab. And this is where you'll see your longer form, vertical or horizontal videos. So let me jump down to one that's a little bit longer. So here, there's a 24-minute one here. As you can see, the still that Facebook has chosen is me like doing this, which is not ideal, but you know. So let's click on this. And again, let me just pause it here. We go to the three little dots, and we go to Edit Post. So we're not actually clicking Edit Video yet. We have to go into the post first. So now that that's open, just scroll down to the video, and again we get that video options. And again we get this title. So now we need to add in a title. So let's do video. And then we've got our tags already. So if you want to add some more in, so video marketing, maybe put tips. And of course you can just carry on adding those in. If there is a collaborator, you can search by name or URL. So that means that if you have been like doing a interview style video, you can actually add the collaborator in there by adding their name or the URL of their Facebook page. Again, we have the caption option where you just click it. You can get auto-generated, add captions after review, and then upload your SRT file. And again, in the change thumbnail area, we have the choose suggested, we have upload image, we have choose from video, and we have test different thumbnails. So let's just have a little go at that. So I had that funny one before, so let's skip through and have a little look at some of the options. So let me go for this one for the first option, and let me go to maybe one that shows what we're doing in the second option. Go ahead and save that. Again, just save the actual post itself. And then if I just come out of here and I just refresh the page, let's go to videos, let's just make sure I don't click on it. And there you can see that I have that thumbnail that I just selected. And if you look at it, if you come to my business page and you try and find this video, it may have the other thumbnail that we did, and Facebook will do that test. Okay, so now we've done a video edit on our Facebook group and our business page. I'm going to show you how to actually edit a video on your personal or stroke professional profile on Facebook. So first things first, you need to come up here to the right hand side and make sure you're acting as yourself, which I am. This is my personal professional page. So I'm actually on a professional page, not a personal one. And then what you do is you go to videos, and then you grab a video. So we can do it on any video, but I'll just try and find a slightly longer one for you. Okay, I have this one here, which is 5 minutes, 33 seconds long. So what you do is you click on the video itself, and then you come up here to the 3 little dots, click on Edit Post, and here, again, we have this video options area. So click on that, and again, we have this video title area. So I'm going to just put parakeets, probably not how you spell it, in the garden. Thankfully I've got a spelling checker, so I'll just change that. Then you can add tags, so let's put in urban birds, and then let's put in parakeets. And of course you can just fill those up as you like. Again, you can add a collaborator. Now, because my account on Facebook is a professional personal page, that's why I think I'm getting all of this. Again, you can add captions, so you can upload your URL, and again you can do the change the thumbnail, and of course you can do test different ones. So I could test a different one here. I could try and find a closer one of the bird. There you go, that's the one that's got the bird in the picture, and then maybe that one as well. So then go ahead and click save. And again, you see it's actually done all of the things we wanted. Click save. So in this video today, I've showed you how to edit a video on your Facebook group, in your business page, and on your personal professional profile. And a little bit of an insight into the new A/B testing on thumbnails inside of Facebook, which actually, to be honest with you, I didn't know about. So that's a little super tip for you. My name's Anita Wong. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them below. If you think this is useful, please do share it out to everybody. And of course, hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel, because I would love to share more videos with you in the future. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.